Nitro Cross for 2 years now, and I always wanted to do a desert race, and just now I had the opportunity to do it in a Nissan truck with Forsberg, and had a lot of fun. It was my first desert race, and I just loved the whole process, like the chase, you know, like the stage, something new to me that I just fell in love with it, and it was just, you know, amazing to do with someone that I know really well, which is Forsberg. And at first I was a little scared, but as soon as we start racing, I just, you know, picked up everything super quick and had a great time.
How many miles did you do?
So the whole race was 500 miles. We did half and half, so about like 250 each. So first day of racing, I had the second leg. I drove to about like 5-6 hours, and then the second day, and then we stayed the night in San Felipe, and then the second day I did the first half, and it was about like 230 miles.
That was actually really cool.
About like 4 hours and something, and the car did great. It didn't break, had no flags, nothing. It was just a great time.
And what was your most memorable part about the whole adventure, the whole race?
For me, I think the whole like experience of the stages and, you know, the chase. When I was not racing, I was in the chase truck, and you know, the whole process of like checking the map and see where he was and where we're gonna meet him next. I think the whole process was really cool, something new to me, and also I'm used to like get in the car and like just go fast and race. Desert, it's about planning, it's about where you put the car, where you put the rocks, and it was really cool to just, you know, get the experience and learn something new.
What's going to be your next adventure do you have planned?
I have Nitro Cross next weekend, in 2 weeks from now, in Phoenix, and then after that we have one more Nitro in California, then I go home for vacation, and then next year we start everything over again, and I hope we can do more desert races.
So where can our viewers follow more and follow your adventures?
So I pretty much post everything on my Instagram, which is at Leticia Bufoni, or my website, YouTube. I just try to like do all the social media.
How do you spell that?
At Leticia Bufoni, Bufoni.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.